Activating notifications on your Verizon account is a straightforward process that helps you stay updated on important information. Follow these steps to enable notifications easily. Step 1. Log into your Verizon account. Visit the Verizon website or open the Verizon app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account or Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or profile icon. Step 3. Select Notification Preferences. In Account Settings, find the option labeled Notification Preferences Alerts. Click on this option to view your notification settings. Step 4. Choose your notification types. You will see various notification options such as billing alerts, data usage notifications, and promotional updates. Select the types of notifications you want to receive. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your preferred notifications, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button to confirm your selections. Now you are all set to receive notifications from Verizon. This will help you stay informed about your account and any important updates.